If you have a creaking or squeaking sound coming from your kayak, like I have a quick and easy fix for you. The solution is spraying silicone spray on your kayak's rudder system. And it must be a silicone spray. Don't use something like WD-40. Spray a generous amount on the foot pedals and at the back, at the rudder system. Make sure you get the cables, all the components, all the screws, all the joints, making sure you cover every part of the rudder system, front and back. And this is something you want to do every 3 to 6 months for regular maintenance to make sure that creaking sound doesn't come back. So there you have it, quick and easy, simple solution.